should be here by now, honestly. But I have to get ready for work, so I won't be able to see them until afterwards. But I'm really hoping that you guys like this hair, because I am in love. Do you see this? Do you see? You see that? I'm in love with this. I'm so shocked that it came out the way that it did. I'm super hyped. Pay me no mind right now. I'm still finishing up my makeup. I have to do my lashes. And then I have to get dressed for work and stuff. So, yeah. But I wanted to come let you guys see this. I'm so excited and stuff because, like, the colors, hold on, are all over. This peekaboo situation. I'm so excited. But let me go ahead and finish getting ready for work. I love you guys so much. See you later on. On my break, and I was looking for one person in particular mad long ago, and she was not around. I could not find her.
But I'm here now.
Right.
Everybody, this is CC. Hi.
That's right.
Go follow me at CVergie.
All right, you go clock out. I'm finna get ready to clock in. Lunch break over. Let's do this. I am en route to my best friends who I've just made it to New York. But they've been here, but I was at work, so I'm here to meet them so we can, you know, cut the hell up. I see it, there he is. Hold on. I see this stupid bitch. Now, mind you, the last time I seen them was like New Year's, and I really didn't get to spend time with them, and they're all the way here in New York. You're gonna hear a whole bunch of screaming and a whole bunch of extra nonsense. Hold on one second. Hey! Hey, girl. How do you do? Hi, YouTube. I got my girl. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I am. I'm complete now. Now what the hell? What the hell? Bitch. I'm really surprised that they brought you all the way out there. Like, I looked and said, girl, she's like 2 blocks away. That's where the train is, but from there it don't show over here because I'm guessing it's in such a secluded area. Oh, say it's right. I am. Oh, say everything we are. I am. Oh, say everything. I'm a fleet cat down there. I'm good. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah, on the eBay, on there. Trash day. Yes. Oh. I'm there. What the fuck, eh? Yeah. And they are in the air. You can't tell. Hey. But is it umre? Is it atne? Oh, wait. Is it okay? I didn't know I all day. Oh, sorry. We speak Latin. We've been doing this since high school? I believe we started in middle school, like 8th grade, and then we picked up on it real good after that. I'm so high. Where we going? Okay. It's freaking crazy. This her, I'm living for this her, baby. I got everybody's favorite. Yes. And she said, baby, what? Oh my God, this is light. Okay, baby, that mirror, she does tease. Yeah. I'm ready to turn these back up. We got the tequila. I hope you're ready to take some shots. That's where I get it from. Shots. But I said, man. I learned from this bitch, but I got better. That's it. Ooh, 5. So how about we just, because apparently this is a apartment complex and a hotel. We just snuck on the apartment side, walked to the 20th fucking floor, and then had to walk back down on bitches because apparently the elevator doesn't work. You have to go down to the apartment side and then, the hotel side, then the elevator works. So we was like, damn, this stuck up on that bitch. Ew, look at your hair. You wrapped your hair with your hair. This is what I'm fucking talking about, bitch. This is what locks are supposed to look like. Get into it. I'm going to the right. To the right. Second door on the left. Second door to the left. When my bitches go right, we gon' take shots. Get fucked up. It's turn up time, bitch. Look, what the fuck? Yeah. This bitch won't even let me get in the room. Oh, y'all got a nice room. Your hair is so much fun.
Thank you.
I don't know what I said.
Hi.
YouTube, that's Isha. I don't know if y'all didn't meet that because I was not recording when I was at home the last time. That's Isha. Boom. That's Bree. Boom. Oh, I'm on the TV.
Oh, baby, you a couple of times.
You see what the fuck be going on. But I will talk to you guys later. I gotta catch up. I missed this. I had a long day at work. My bitches is here. Gotta go. Love you. Bye. So bitches told me to go to the top drawer and pull shit the fuck out. Now, so you can see all these hoes is here. Boom, boom, boom. So if something jump out on me, okay, I'm not prepared for the bullshit. Top drawer, bitch. What am I looking at? Happy birthday!
And she's a crappie.
Bitch, I'm finna be in next year. Finna turn the fuck up. Yeah! You are fucking like. Oh, shit. You too stupid. Yeah. I said it looked nice in the store.
Okay. I feel it.
Oh my god! Wait, it's too much going on. I'm every fucking way, bitch.
You and me.
Oh, both of y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, now. So, we are on our way to the city. I'm excited. They're here. This is fucking crazy. It's
We're
nuts.
here. They're queer.
Ah.
Not me though.
And we about to be smoking everywhere in the feet.
I'm a
Yeah.
Christian woman.
Huh?
Of the cloth.
Of do whatever the fuck you want, suck
Of
dick.
do whatever.
The fuck you want.
Whether it be cloth or dirty towel.
A hotel white rag.
Yo, fucking stupid. Yeah. But yeah, so I'll get more footage later because this is gonna be funny. Yo.
Why you smell like baby powder?
Oh my god.
Delete that.
Save it, but delete it.
I can't. All right.
Oh,
You're damn right. You go on YouTube,
I'm
man.
okay. Salute.
Baby powder. All right. See y'all in the side. 3 times. Do you got your key? Do you got your phone? Do you have your money? And this bitch said yes. Everybody said yes. And guess who
I didn't
said
say yes.
You did say yes.
Because Isha said,
I said, get your phone.
Right, and I was like,
Because I
oh.
saw you without your phone. I saw your phone like before you were about to walk out the door.
We had only made it a block.
Come here real quick, because I need to make a YouTube thumbnail. Can you come the fuck here, bitches?
Why do I look so yellow?
Because you are yellow. I don't know how I feel about that. Boom. So get in the camera, but I just need you to pose. 3, 2, and hold it. Okay, where you get that?
I went to a Grateful Dead concert.
A who?
Grateful Dead.
Grateful Dead? I know them.
Me too.
Yeah. They here in New York?
Yeah, they're playing at Met Stadium.
Ooh. They still there now?
I got this in my kitty cat.
Oh. Wait, for your kitty cat? Oh, a feline. Okay, I'm thinking like vulgar. My mind went straight to the gutter. I'm sorry. I'm a little trash right now. Excuse me.
So, this is all of their first time being on the train.
It's our first time in New York.
On the subway.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So, hey. Oh my god. I can't.
Get me off of this.
We still got like 17 stops left.
You like 17 stops, big weird. Rockefeller Center.
In a few weeks,
We got 10 stops.
Oat milk coaster down, and you will be left with only the memory of this very moment. That's what the subway is.
There you go.
In New York, my friends are good for
You gonna go viral, stupid bitch.
I bet not.
My YouTube channel gonna be lit.
It's okay. Maybe I might start mine today. Not today. Not today. Not today.
It's the fucking experience.
Whoa. I did not consent.
Bitch, you came to New York. We consider to everything.
Completely. 100%.
The fuck?
That's what I'm like.
It's so much stuff to read.
What are you taking?
It doesn't matter if you're going uptown or downtown. This is his town. Now, who the fuck is his?
I'm so glad you learned how to read it.
I am. I've been practicing. Now, who is his?
Read the whole fucking thing if you're gonna read it, damn it.
Who the fuck is a rapper for it? Or a luminary?
Look it up. Ain't no
What the fuck is going on here? I got service. Nope, no I don't. No I don't. I lied that damn fast.
No, you don't.
I'm not even checking what's going right now.
Bitch. You under fucking ground, you dumbasses.
We're underground. Oh, you do have to walk downstairs to get to the subway.
Y'all.
I'm gonna be
46th Street. In Queens.
We still in Queens.
You want me to be happy till we get to Roosevelt Island? Why y'all let me this drink?
I don't know. So why they let me
I need to take my dog to a vet. It says, here, wait. That's wrong. Oh my God.
It's right.
That is wrong.
But it says Steinway.
This is right.
But that's what that says.
Oh, to Coney Island. Stop doing that. You made me think that it was saying Coney Island was the next stop, you ratchet bitch. You fucking naked mole rat bitch. You ratchet trash ass red ass mole rat face ass bitch.
You terrible. That's on you.
So is this like air conditioning or is this how fast it's going?
Air conditioning.
Oh, I thought this was because of the speed.
Bitch,
So this
it's so many-
motherfucker going like a lot of miles per
It's not even
hour.
going fast, but the fact that it's, bitch, it's too many people in New York not to have air conditioning on these things.
This is true.
I can't. Yo, y'all finna have me so, yo.
Imagine if I just look how to put on makeup. Maybe I'll.
Oh, I can play in makeup. Oh, I can play in makeup.
Playing makeup. And wigs, because she won a couple of them.
We're gonna play in makeup. Excuse me, everybody. I'm so sorry, but we like literally. I haven't seen these people since New Year's. And when I saw them at New Year's, it was like what, 2 seconds? So.
Oh yeah.
And the last time I saw y'all before that was Christmas. No, the year before. So it's just like. Oh my God, I didn't have my fluffy little. Oh my God, I'm wearing that. I gotta do a recap. Oh my God.